Welcome to our channel. If you want to check your flight status on the Delta app quickly, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download the Delta app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already installed it on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the Delta app and log in using your SkyMiles account credentials, or continue as a guest if you prefer. Step 3. On the home screen, tap on the flight status option, which is usually prominently displayed. Step 4. Enter your flight number or departure and arrival cities to search for your flight. Step 5. Tap Search to view your flight information including departure time, arrival time, gate number, and any delays. Step 6. Review the flight status details to see if your flight is on time, delayed, or cancelled. Step 7. Enable push notifications in the app settings to receive real-time updates about gate changes and delays. Step 8. If needed, tap on View Details for more comprehensive information about your flight, including aircraft type and baggage claim details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.